The new COVID-19 variant was already in Europe before flights were banned from southern Africa, where it was first discovered.
Identifying a virus, a new strain or a new variant doesn't mean it came from there.
Dutch officials say Omicron was found in test samples taken in the Netherlands as early as November 19th.
One of the two had a travel history to southern Africa, the other had not. This means that this person most likely picked the virus up, the Omicron variant up in the Netherlands. The size of the chain of transmission is not known yet.
Omicron's discovery in Europe comes a week before the World Health Organization labeled it a variant of concern, a step that prompted countries around the world to slam their doors shut to African nations.
The question would be, how do you know it's not in your country yet?
This South African doctor who spotted the variant's existence says the rush to reintroduce travel restrictions was a knee-jerk reaction. Cases, she says, are showing up with mild symptoms like fatigue.
I have seen vaccinated people and not really very sick. That might change going forward. As we say, this is early days.
Moderna's CEO set off alarm bells in financial markets Tuesday by predicting existing vaccines will be less effective against Omicron compared with the Delta variant. The comments were made in a Financial Times interview. Moderna has said it could have a tweaked version of its shot ready early next year if necessary. Pfizer is also preparing for that possibility.
We started actually on Friday producing, based on the sequence, a DNA template that will allow us to make an RNA that eventually we will put into this vaccine. If indeed we need it, we will not have wasted any time.
I do think it will take some time for us to get a better understanding of the impact on vaccines. Our estimate is between 2 and 4 weeks.
As the world awaits answers, health officials caution there are likely far more cases worldwide than is currently known.
Confirmed cases as of yesterday was 205 in 18 countries, and just this morning, that's gone up to 226 in 20 countries. And I think you're going to expect to see those numbers change rapidly.
The European CDC says so far more than 40 cases have been detected in some 11 European countries. All of those cases were either asymptomatic or had mild symptoms. Meantime, American health officials are expanding a surveillance program at some of the country's largest airports in their search for the variant within their borders. And as more cases crop up here in Canada, Hong Kong now putting our country on its travel ban list from December 2nd. Caryn Ceolin, City News.